Progress is about finding sustainable solutions. I was always a bit technology-minded, let's say. It started when I was a kid. I was always triggered about how stuff works, how to fix things. My name is Joris Van Haver, and I'm head of the high-voltage battery production at Audi Brussels. In the battery assembly, we have a very young team who don't have the experience from back in the day. But as the product is completely new, as the assembly line is completely a new process, it's an advantage to think out of the box and to try to approach problems when they occur in our own way. It's very important, in my opinion, to learn from each other in order to have a great transformation. 4 years ago, we transformed the factory completely into an electrical vehicle factory. And on top of that, we are even a net CO2 neutral factory. If we should think about a better tomorrow, we should really think about stuff we do on a daily basis, not only the industries, but really we as a human being. We don't know what will happen after tomorrow, but we can shape the future. We can think about how should it be, how do we want it to be. So we at the battery assembly, we are striving towards a more electrical future. What's your story of progress?